Acceptance and kindly awareness practice. This practice is a breath and body-based practice to help us bring kindness to ourselves, to develop a sense of acceptance of ourselves and what we are experiencing in the moment. Sitting in a comfortable position, either on a chair, a stool, or lying down if that's preferred. If sitting, ensuring that the back is straight and aligned with the head and the neck, the chin gently tucked in. Eyes can be closed or the gaze focused downwards. Taking your awareness to the sensations in the body, noticing the contact of the body with the floor or chair. Noticing body sensations non-judgmentally and with acceptance, bringing an attitude of interest and curiosity even to unpleasant sensations. Having an awareness of breathing and the changing sensations in the chest and abdomen as the breath moves in and out. And when the mind wanders off, which may occur frequently, gently returning the attention back to the breath, breathing with a sense of acceptance that mind wandering happens, and kindness that you can bring your attention back to the breath and the body sensations. Sitting with the breath and the sensations of the breath, seeing if you can bring your attention to the slight stretching and expansion in the chest and abdomen as it rises and falls, bringing a friendly awareness to changing physical sensations in the body. A sense of interest and kindness to the moment by moment changing sensations in the body. Following the breath all the way in and all the way out, seeing if it's possible to bring your attention to the pauses between the in-breath and the out-breath. Noticing whether this experience is pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. Not trying to change anything, but bringing a kindly awareness to what you are experiencing right now in this moment. There is nothing to be fixed, no particular state to be achieved. Let the intention be to allow experience to just be the experience in the moment, here and now. Noticing body sensations with breath sensations, observing the discomfort that you may have with a sense of acceptance of this being the present moment. Not tensing and bracing, but softening and relaxing with the breath and the sensations of the breath. Following the breath all the way in and all the way out. Noticing the body sensations with each breath, the slight stretching and expansion in the chest and abdomen, the rising and falling, breath by breath, bringing a kindly awareness to the waves of sensations you may experience in this kindly awareness practice. Allowing a sense of kindly acceptance to develop as you sit here, breathing, noticing the sensations of movement of the breath and the body. And the mind may wander, and when it does, using the breath as an anchor in the moment, bringing a sense of kindness to the repeated wanderings of the mind, accepting that this is what the mind does, and learning to kindly bring the attention back to the present moment experience with the body sensations and the breath, noticing the pauses between the breath as it moves in and out. Remembering there's nothing to be fixed, no particular state to be achieved. Allowing the intention to be to let the experience just be the experience, moment by moment. Bringing a sense of kindness to the body, the breath, and the wanderings of the mind. Moment by moment and breath by breath. Practicing with an attitude of friendly curiosity, interest and acceptance to everything that may come into awareness as you practice. Seeing if it's possible to refrain from evaluation and self-criticism, but just noticing these judgments when they occur, All thoughts, sensations and emotions are simply noted and observed as they come and go. To help develop a sense of kindness and acceptance, you may wish to try the following suggestion. On the next in-breath, breathing in kindness, breathing in a sense of kindness. This may be with a colour, a particular sensation. You may wish to use the sound or say the word kindness as you breathe in. Taking time to breathe in kindness, allowing yourself to experience breathing in kindness and acceptance. With care and compassion, riding the waves of emotions or thoughts that doing this practice may bring up for you, and seeing whether it's possible to work without judgment and just breathing in kindness, breathing in care, compassion, breath by breath, breathing in this sense of care for yourself, self-kindness, and noticing how this feels in this moment. Breathing in this sense of kindness, care and compassion, breath by breath, moment by moment, experiencing what it feels like to just accept who you are and where you are right now in this moment. Breathing in a sense of kindness, acceptance and compassion. Riding the waves of sensations, emotions that may come up as you do this practice. Seeing if it's possible to let go of judgment and mental chatter, allowing yourself to just breathe in kindness and self-care. And as you do this practice, you may notice emotions coming up that may be quite different from kindness. Acknowledging what is coming up, not trying to get rid of feelings or change how you feel. Noticing, acknowledging all feelings that may be coming up for you, and continuing the best you can to breathe in kindness, to breathe in care, to breathe in compassion, compassion for yourself in this present moment, breath by breath, breathing in kindness, allowing the sense of kindness and self-care to be breathed into the body. Remembering that any mindfulness practice that is new to you is a new skill that takes learning and practice and encouragement. Similar to when a child may be learning to walk. So it's important to give yourself support when you may be feeling discouraged by some practices. Noticing judgments, being aware of sensations and emotions that may be coming up, but seeing whether it's possible to breathe in a sense of kindly awareness into the body, to work with care, compassion, breath by breath, moment by moment, breathing in a sense of kindness, care, compassion, allowing things to be just as they are and as they unfold, moment by moment, breath by breath, and experimenting with this sense of breathing in kindness. To notice what this is like, letting go of judgment, habitual self-attacking, breathing in a sense of kindness, breathing in a sense of care, breathing in compassion, compassion for the here and now, compassion for the self, compassion for suffering, breathing in kindness, breath by breath, moment by moment, just noticing, acknowledging feelings and sensations, aware of any thoughts, seeing if it's possible to let go of judgment, self-criticism, self-attacking, breathing in a sense of kindness for yourself, feeling a sense of care and compassion right here and now in the present moment, breath by breath, moment by moment. Allowing the experience right now to be the experience right now, riding any waves of resistance, breathing in acceptance, kindness, breathing in care and compassion, breath by breath, moment by moment, noticing how breathing in acceptance and kindness for how things are right now, noticing how this practice feels. Acknowledging any resistance, any tensions that may arise, allowing yourself to experiment with this practice of breathing in kindness, of breathing in acceptance, working with self-care and compassion, breath by breath, moment by moment. Noticing how this feels, just breathing in kindness, allowing a sense of acceptance to develop for how you are right now in this moment. Breathing in a sense of care, compassion, breath by breath, moment by moment. Allowing the sense of kindly acceptance to develop as you breathe in breath by breath. Bringing the attention now back to the breath and breathing, following the breath as it moves in and out of the body. Using the breath as an anchor to the present moment. Breathing in and breathing out, getting a sense of the sensations that go alongside the breath, the slight stretching and expansion of the chest and abdomen as the breath rises and falls. And when you feel ready, opening the eyes and coming back into the present moment and seeing whether it's possible throughout the next moment and the next to bring this sense of kindly awareness, self-acceptance, care and compassion to the times when you may find yourself struggling in the moments during the day.